Hello guys. So today we are going to cinema, and we have a lovely day today again. And say hello to my lovely wife Anna. So, and of course we have some nice working all the time, and you can see middle of the Moscow. So we are going to catch metro to go to the center of Moscow. Hi guys, so we just arrived at Teatralna metro station, and we are just going to the Red Square. Just look at that. I mean, it looks so amazing already, and we're not even there yet.
Театральная площадь.
Mm-hmm. Oh, just look at that. Don't tell me this is not just epic. Nice sunset and mm-hmm. Nice view of the Kremlin. So I guess we're close. You hope. I adore your optimism as always. Every single time I notice that so many people in Europe smoking. Really bad habits. So guys, I would like to show you some of nightlife here in Moscow, how it is. it's getting quite cold today. So people are wearing like how to describe perfect Russians, I guess, to wear fur. Especially Siberian.
Someone wear fur already.
Да.
Huh?
Yeah, I guess. And also what I like about Russia is that pharmacy is open 24 hours because of in Slovenia you have maybe few of them, but they're very far away from you normally, except if you live in big cities. And of course, the most important that flower shops are open 24 hours.
No. Just pharmacy and flower shop.
Да, this is most important, guys. Remember, if something wrong is if you have argument with your lady, you just bring flowers at home. Everything is fine.
And then or before going to pharmacy.
La. First you go to pharmacy just in case. Hi guys, so we arrived to Jean-Jacques. It's a very popular and cozy French restaurant here in the center of Moscow. And we are having nice dinner before cinema. Здравия.
Like?
Very.
And I like the bread, really nice.
Really nice coffee. I'm in the restaurant. So we got our dinner and I ordered some sudak, which is called smuchi in Slovenian. I forgot the word in English. So and my lady got amazing fresh salad. How is it?
Nice. Really nice. Yeah.
So we just had a delicious dinner, and now we are going back to the cinema. Our movie starts in 20 minutes, so we should not hurry up, but we have plenty of time because it's close by. And so far we have a very nice afternoon. Do you agree, my dear?
What exactly you like?
I like that we are walking around and that we had a nice dinner together. That's it.
And this is also some wine restaurant.
Interesting. So we just arrived to the cinema. You would not expect that.
I guess you didn't expect it to see.
No, not at all.
No, but this was cinema.
Mhm. So we're back from the cinema. We watched 3000 Years of Longing. And, what do you think, my dear?
I would like to sleep.
So I guess we should go back home.
Yeah.
Mm. So I guess metro is not far, right? So
But where is metro, you know?
no, of course not. I cannot see it at all. Yes.
Unfortunately, you cannot.
Uh-huh. I mean, metro in Moscow it's really hard to find, I must say. And of course, this is not like in video games. It's much more beautiful.